Hello everyone, I am Shivantika, legal intern at Lexis and Company for the month of June, and today we'll discuss what are the circumstances in which notice of dishonor is unnecessary, and will a notice of dishonor given to a dead person be sufficient. So coming to the question, uh, in a suit against a drawer or an endorser, uh, on a dishonored instrument, notice of dishonor is a material part of the course of action. However, it can be dispensed with under several cases mentioned under Section 98 of the Act. Notice of dishonor is unnecessary in the following cases. Firstly, when the notice is expressly waived. The notice of the dishonor has been dispensed with the express waiver of the party who is entitled to the notice itself. A waiver of such notice may be made before the time of giving the notice, or when the notice has arrived, or after the omission to give due course of notice has occurred. Another condition would be when the drawer countermands the payment. It is when the drawer has countermanded the payment, he having an impediment in the way of the holder obtaining payment. It is not entitled to any kind of notice of the dishonor itself. Thirdly, when no damage to the party has been charged. So when a party charged could not suffer any damage or want of notice, it is not necessary to give him such notice. Either presentment or notice of dishonor is necessary if it shows that at the time when the instrument was drawn, there were no funds belonging to the drawer in hands of the drawee. This is what Section 98C entails. And the fourth condition is when the address of the party is unknown. This is mentioned in the Section 98 clause D. So in case of ignorance of the party's address, excuses want to due notice of dishonor, provided that the holder has used a reasonable diligence to find it out. So therefore, ignorance is not allowed. You should first comply with a reasonable action in such circumstance to find out the party's address. You must at least try. You don't have to be negligent about that part. Only it is when the address of the party is unknown and due diligence have been paid, only then such kind of dishonor would be sufficient and subside as unnecessary. The fifth condition would be when the omission is excused by accident. So in case of any omission to give notice to the dishonor is also excluded when the omission is caused by an unavoidable circumstance. Such case can be any kind of dangerous illness of the holder or his agent, or death of the holder or its agents, or another inevitable accidents or overwhelming calamity, or an attributable which is attributable to the default itself, or any kind of misconduct or negligence of the party giving the notice. Sixth condition would be when one of the drawers is also an acceptor. So when one of the drawers is an acceptor, it is not necessary to give them notice of the dishonor, as the same is already known to him. This is mentioned in Section 98 subclause E, and in subclause F it is mentioned that when a promissory note is not negotiable. So when a note itself is not negotiable, its endorsement does not give any endorsee any claim against the maker of the endorser itself. So in such a situation, the notice is it's not necessary. It can be avoided in such a situation. And the seventh condition would be when the notice is impliedly waived off. This is mentioned in the clause G of section 98, which deals that with the case in which the party is entitled to the notice under the instrument after dishonor and with full knowledge of the facts, promises unconditionally to pay the amount on the instrument itself. In such a situation also, you can do away with the notice, and when the party to whom the notice is given is dead is mentioned under section 97 itself of the act, and it lays down that the party to whom the notice of dishonor is to be dispatched is already dead, but the party dispatching the notice is ignorant of his death, then the notice is sufficient in that case. So these are all the cases under which it is unnecessary to basically provide with the notice of the dishonor. That's all for today.